5 minutes later.
Oh no! My house is on fire! Whatever shall I do?
Don't be like this guy. Be smart.
Don't be like that guy. Get one of these. Hi, I'm Rob McClendon, Student Ambassador at Danger Detector, here to introduce our new and improved Mark IV Smoke Safety Search Security Service.
With our patented technology, your home will be safe and secure 24/7 to make sure that incidents like this don't happen. Oh, you poor idiot.
And if you sign up in the following month, you'll get another for free. With our state-of-the-art photoelectronic sensor, your house will remain safe as anything that is detected, smolder, ash, smoke, anything. As soon as that is detected, the alarm will go off and alert anyone in the area. Protect your friends, protect your family, and protect yourself.